Hello students. So many times I found that students make a silly mistake whenever they solving the question. They mistake in putting a sign of mathematics. So now I'm trying to clarify how to put a sign whenever we solve the equations. Whatever the rule of sign. Whenever you multiply two positive numbers, whenever you multiply two negative numbers, the answer is always positive. In simple language, we can say that if we multiply same sign number, then always our answer in positive form. If we multiply two numbers in which one is positive and another one is negative, another one is positive, that means whenever we multiply two numbers of different sign, so our result is always negative. Once again, whenever we multiplied same sign numbers, two numbers, the result is always positive. Whenever we multiplied different sign of two numbers of different signs, so always we get negative. Plus into plus, plus, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, plus. In a similar way, we are saying about division process also. Whenever we divided two positive or two negative numbers, so result is always positive. Whenever we divided one positive or one negative number to each other, so result is always negative. We can't put right like that. That is not a correct method of putting. I just put for your understanding. Without number, it is never we can't to put three operation like that, because minus is also operation, plus multiplication, both are all are operations, so we can't put like that. But I'm talking about all numbers, positive numbers. Now we see some example. 15 into 3, you easily do it. 15 3s are 45. Now we need to just multiply the numbers. 15 into 3, it is 45. But here we see sign minus and minus. Multiplication of same sign is plus, so plus 45. We never put plus, so just 45. 15 into 3, 45 again. Minus into plus, two different sign gives negative sign. 15 into 3, 45. Minus into plus, minus. Two different sign gives minus sign. 15 divided by 3. First we do it. We know 5. Plus plus, always plus. Now 15 divided by minus 15 divided by minus 3. We first divide the number. 15 divided by 3, we know that 5. Minus sign divided by minus sign, and the same sign divides, so we get plus, but we never put plus sign. Okay, we always put minus sign. 3 minus 15. Okay, so first we divide numbers. 15 divided by 3, so we get 5. Minus divided by plus, different sign divided, so minus. 15 divided by 3, so 5. Plus divided by minus, the two different sign, so minus. Now I think, are you able to understand? Now some students are making mistake whenever they add or subtract the numbers. यानी मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन का सेम है. जब हम सेम साइन को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, यानी सेम नंबर विच हैविंग सेम साइन, तो हमेशा प्लस साइन आएगा. और जब हम डिफरेंट साइन को नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो माइनस आएगा. सेम फंडा हम डिवीजन में अप्लाई करते हैं. नाउ whenever we adding two plus numbers, so always we get positive answer. From childhood we are doing like that na. Whenever we are adding two minus number, we need to add them. That means whenever both the sign are same and we are doing the process of addition na, so we have to add the numbers and put the same sign. If a plus b is here, so we add what positive answer is here, and we subtract what negative answer is here. ठीक है. Whenever we subtract, so always we subtract smaller from larger, but we take sign which number is larger numerically. Okay. Now for this I am taking some example. 15 plus 5, all of you know it is 20. Minus 15 plus minus 5. ठीक है. Minus 15 plus into minus, so it is minus 5. That means minus, we have to subtract 5 from minus 15. Both sign are same. ठीक है. In this condition we add number, numerical number is 5 and 15, so it is 20, but we put same sign which is minus. Here we add the number, both sign is same. In starting I told we never put plus sign in front of number, so it is positive. So whenever sign is same, we add the number and put the same sign, but we never put plus, so we remove it from here. Okay. Now minus 15 plus 5, both sign are different. In this situation addition operation is given here, but we subtract because both sign are different. So 15 minus 5, because 15 is numerically greater than 5, so always subtract smaller from larger. So 15 minus 5 is 10. But which is greater, 15 and 5? 15 is greater, we know that, and the sign of 15 is minus, so answer is minus 10. Now 15 5 plus minus 15, or we can write minus 5 plus 50 here, plus minus 50. Minus operation is there, but same problem, how we subtract larger from smaller, so always subtract smaller from larger. 15 minus 5, you got 10. Sign which number is greater numerically, 15, so minus. Now minus 5 plus 15, so you are thinking we have to add, answer is 20. No, both sign are different. See the sign first. Both sign are different. One is positive, another one is negative, plus and minus. So we subtract, not add. Which is larger? 15. 15 minus 5. 15 minus 5, we got 10, right? Which is greater between them, 5 or 15? 15. What is the sign in front of 15? Plus. So answer is plus 10. So we never write plus, so we directly write 10. Now we are going to solve some example based on it. Minus 1 plus 7, that means operation is addition, but both sign are different, so we subtract. Which is greater? 7. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1, you got 6. 7 is greater. What is the sign of 7? Plus. So your answer is plus 6. Is it clear? I think. Now minus 15 minus 1, so it will become 15 into 1, 15, minus into minus, plus, multiplied by 2, plus into plus, plus, 15 into 2, 30. So your answer is 30. Now 7 into 3, 7 3s are 21, minus into plus, minus, different sign gives minus sign. 45 divided by 15, not minus 15, first 15, so it will answer 3. But plus sign divided by minus sign, whenever different sign are divided to each other, so always answer is minus. Minus 15 plus 7, here operation is addition but both sign are different, so we always subtract smaller from larger. 15 minus 7, you got 8. Which number is greater numerically? 15. What is the sign? Minus, so answer is minus 8. Now 0 multiplied by 15 and minus 3, in whole multiplication process is given and we are going to multiply it with 0, so clearly answer is 0. Now minus 13 minus 0, both are same sign, we just add the number. 13 plus 0, 13. What is the sign, common sign? Minus. Both are the same sign and we are going to, so addition, no another sign is there, so 13 plus 31, 44, but see common sign is minus. Now minus 15, minus minus, bracket sign shows multiplication, minus plus, it will plus 3, so minus 15 plus 3. Whenever both are different, we always subtract. 15 minus 3, larger, smaller from larger, so it is 15 minus 3, 12. Which is greater between them? 15, so sign is negative. Now 0 minus 12, minus 0 minus 12, 0 is always considered as a positive, plus minus always minus. 12 minus 0, we get 12, greater than, which is numerically greater? 12. What is the sign of numerically greater, not sign wise greater? Sign wise greater is 0 is always greater than minus 12, so we see which is numerically greater. In this way you can solve more and more question. Practice and makes perfect sign in maths. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.